Today we're going to show you how to mount your Thru-Axle quick release bike on a Neo 2T. For this process, you will need to remove the back wheel of your bike. You will also need the Neo 2T with your cassette installed in the quick release. Make sure that your Neo 2T is on a flat surface. For installing your bike on the Neo 2T with a Thru-Axle, you may need to use the supplied Thru-Axle end caps. These are marked to help you select the proper size. The drive side is the side with the gears. Install the Thru-Axle end caps. For this bike, we will be using the 142 by 12 end caps. Align your bike into place. Using your Thru-Axle, slide the Thru-Axle into position and tighten as you would if installing. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.